Now let's see concatenation in JavaScript. So what's actually concatenation? Concatenation is how you can combine two or more words together, or even two or more characters together. Okay, so let's say we have variable of a text. Okay, let's call it test1, and then it's equal to a string of hello, and then we also have, I'll copy this. Okay, and then we also have test2, and then I have word as that test2. Okay, something like this. And then let's say we have test3. Okay, test3 is going to be the combination of test1 and test2. So I'm gonna say test1 plus test2 plus test2, like this. Okay, so I'm now going to give this a variable first, and then I'm now going to log out this our test3. Okay, so let's see what we are gonna have right now. As you can see, I have what hello and then word together. Okay, so concatenation is basically how you can combine two or more words or characters together using the concatenation operator, which is basically the plus. Okay, the plus operator. That's how you can concatenate two strings together. Okay, it must be a string for it to concatenate. Okay, so yeah, even if you have a number here, although it can work here, but it must work with in at least one or no number. Okay, one or no string rather. Sorry, I mean it must work with a string and at least one number or no number at all. Look at what I actually mean here right now. Okay, I have this. Let me just play this. I have this right here, and I'm gonna play this, and it's gonna give me hello and then 5. So it must have a string. Okay, for it to concatenate with another string or another number. Okay, or a number rather. Okay, because when we actually say 5 here. Okay, look at what I mean here now. We actually say 5 here. It go ahead and give us 10. Okay, it's go ahead and give us 10. It will see both of them as a what? As a number. So that's why I say it must have at least one string. Okay, so it must have at least one string for it to really see it as something that it will concatenate. Okay, so concatenation is basically meant on strings and not really on numbers. Okay, so numbers are just normal arithmetic operators, but concatenation actually works on strings. Okay, so that's basically how it works. And then when we come back here, say hello, and then word and something like this, and then we come back and then give it our thing here. It gives us this, and there's no space in here. So for it to create that spacing, you can either decide to give a spacing here, and then also concatenate it. Like now I'm concatenating the hello here, which is test1. Then I concatenate plus an empty space here. Okay, there's also the test2 here, and then when I go ahead and check it out, it's gonna give me that hello word this time with a spacing. Okay, so that's basically how you can concatenate in your JavaScript. Okay, thank you.